Hello dear viewer, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Engineer Muhammad Rezaul Haq. Welcome to my Automation Tools YouTube channel. We know in industrial system different types of distributed control system are using to operate their plant. Honeywell DCS system is one of them. Today I will discuss about the synchronization procedure of between two server or three server. In a Honeywell system, two servers are using to add the redundant mode to operate their plant. If one server is become to failure or any problem, then another server will be take over automatically if both servers are become in the synchronous mode. So today I will show how can we synchronize between these server. So let's start. At first we have to be confirmed that both server A and B are running in the system running mode. That means both are servers are running in running mode. That means system. All are in running condition. If you maintenance any one of the server or any of the same one of them is maintenance, after doing that you have to be confirmed that the Ethernet cable will be connected successfully. I have maintenance one of the server, so I have all the Ethernet are connected properly, and now you see the condition of this server, that is the which server I have maintenance. This is the maintenance server's condition. I have to synchronize this server, that is the server A. I want to synchronize this server A with the server B. So first I am putting this server in the database mode only to the system running mode. You see, when I put the server in system running mode and quickly all of the status are changing, you see the engineering repository and other of the repository ERDB also synchronized running, system repository primary running, always running. You see the engineering repository DB is unknown. It is take some time, it will become auto synchronization. All of these things will become when the are ready. Then we go to the next procedure to the synchronize the server with the another server. So you see auto synchronization, the engineering repository DB, auto synchronize enabled. All things are ready to synchronize. Only you see the backup servers also running and showing the not synchronized. That means the backup server not synchronized with the primary server. That means it is the server A. The server A is running as a primary and the server B is running as the secondary. So if you want to synchronize, press the synchronize button and it is showing the higher security level. It is the operating mode. You have to go to the manager mode. So you have put the password, manager mode password to the enter the higher security mode, because it is the important ones. So you have to go to the security mode, change you go to the manager mode. You see, you go to the manager mode and now we want to synchronize this server with the primary server. So go to the synchronize button, press the synchronize button, press synchronize, you say upper side is showing the yes or no. The synchronize database, yes. When you press the yes button, is showing left side corner, upper side is showing that the backup server is being stopped. That means the sequence of position is one of these, that the one first we have to be stop the backup server, then all the file will be synchronized by sending from one server to another server, then it will become the synchronization. But it is the procedure, one of the process, one of the first step of the synchronization. This backup server have to be stopped. So it is showing that the backup server is showing the stop mode. Now the SQL event DB synchronized in progress. That means the synchronization procedure is running. You see the backup server is stopped. That means the first step is completed, and the second step is that is sending the files to the server A to server B. That is the both servers are sending the same files. So you see in the left upper side of the left side in the upper corner, you see the sending files number is showing 150 is sending file one by one. It is sending. You see it takes some time, because if the file data is size is big, then it will take some time to send the data from one server to another server. So dear friend, the synchronization is sending heap file, synchronization private files. That means the sending the private file. That means the all file are sending between one server to another server signing. You see starting backup. That means the file sending is completed, and now it is showing the starting backup. That means the backup server now start mode. Now in the synchronization procedure, the backup server is stopped. All file sending is completed. Now in the left side corner is showing that starting backup. That means the backup server will start. In the status mode backup server status, you can see that is showing a stop. In the sometimes it is running, you see it's running, and the backup server is synchronized. That means the our synchronization is almost completed. That means you see in the left side corner synchronization is completed. That means the our server backup server, then the B server is synchronized with the A server. In this condition, if this one server is become the stop, or in the one server become the having a problem, without hampering, the process will be run, because the one server will be automatically take over this. I have maintained this server for the one problem, that the event archiving is showing us problem, and the one of the solution of this event archiving is failed. If you can the server is maintenance, that means the cleaning and the restart, then the event archiving will be shown. So dear friend, today I want to show you how can you synchronize one server to another server. If you think this is helpful for your anything, please subscribe my channel and share this folder to share this my video to other can learn about this. In the next video, I will show how can we restore a archive and how can we find out the problem. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.